Okay, in this video, we are going to learn how to get the current date and time. We will be using the datetime built-in module in the Python programming language. So the first step is to import the datetime module, datetime. From that module, we can use the datetime class and date class. Those two classes offer us the way to compute the datetime in one class, the datetime, and only the date in date class. Um, the first step after importing the datetime module is to create a variable. We can call it um, datetime datetime datetime. I will add an underscore between date and time. In that variable, I will assign the result of calling the now method in the datetime class. Datetime dot datetime dot now, open parentheses, that is a function, and now we can present the content of datetime variable using the printf statement. Execute this code and we get 2020 November the 2nd, and the time 5 hours 49 minutes 30 seconds, and then appear the quantity of nanoseconds of this time. Go back, and now we will use the today method from the date class. I will add a blank line between these two results. Date now. Now we can call from the datetime dot date the today method. Call the print function and pass as argument the date now variable as argument for print. Now we can execute this code, press the yellow play button, and here we get the last result, 2020 November 2nd. That is the result of using toDate method from the date class. Both now and toDate methods are static methods that don't require an instantiation of those two classes, date and datetime. We can use freely those methods to get datetime and only the date.